Today I discuss nuclear fusion. Yesterday I discussed nuclear fission. Fission means heavy nucleus split into small nucleus. Okay? Fusion means small nucleus, smaller nucleus combined to form a heavy nucleus. Fission means heavy nucleus split into two or more smaller nucleus. Fusion means smaller nucleus combined to form a heavier nucleus and release a large amount of energy. This is called nuclear fusion. What is the equation? I write equation. Here 4H11 gives rise to helium-24 plus 2 positrons. Here positron balances the spin, write the neutrino. Once again repeat now. Positron balances the spin. Positron ఉంది అంటే spin balance చేయడం కోసం write the neutrino. Here two positrons are there. Here two neutrinos are there. Electron is there. Anti-neutrino is there. Right. Anti-neutrino. Electron ఉంటే మాత్రం ఎలా వెళ్ళాలి? Anti-neutrino right. Positron ఉంటే neutrino right. Plus 25.7 MeV energy. Here, look here. This is the small nuclei. 4 small nuclei combined to a heavy nucleus. That means simply called as smaller nucleus combined to form a heavy nucleus and release a large amount of energy. This phenomena is called nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion means smaller nucleus combined to form a heavy nucleus and release a large amount of energy. Here, according to experimental verification, 0.7% of mass will be converted into energy according to Einstein equation E equal to mc square. Here mass will be converted into energy. That means here how much mass converted? 0.7% of mass will be converted into energy. In the nuclear fission, how much of mass will be converted into energy? 0.1% of mass will be converted into energy. Look here. 0.7% of mass will be converted into energy. Here nearly 26 MeV energy released. 26 MeV energy release. Again, this nuclear fusion occur only at high temperatures. It cannot be possible low temperatures. Nuclear fusion occur at high temperature. This temperature approximately 10 power 7 Kelvin. It is possible in only sun and stars. Once again I repeat nana. The nuclear fusion is possible only at high temperature, is order of 10 power 7 Kelvin and 10 power 7 Kelvin is possible only inside the stars and inside the sun. Okay? Here this principle can be used in hydrogen bomb. hydrogen bomb. This principle can be used in hydrogen bomb. Nuclear fission can be used, the principle can be used in atom bomb. Hiroshima, Nagasaki in the Japan. Here, for example, according to this equation, here how many nucleons are there? 4 nucleons. For example, 4 nucleons, how much energy nearly released? 24, for example. 25.7 is right, 24. Suppose one nucleon nearly 6 MeV energy release. In the nuclear fission, we know the equation: uranium 92-235 plus neutron. It gives rise barium, krypton, and how many neutrons are released? 3 neutrons. Here plus how much energy released? 200 MeV. Here 235 nucleons to release the energy what? In the nuclear fission, 235 nucleons gives rise 200 MeV energy. Suppose one nucleon, here one nucleon write as by 235 by 235. 200 by 235 write as 0.85 MeV. That means in the nuclear fusion, here 6 MeV energy is released. In the nuclear fission, one nuclei gives the release of energy 0.85. That means where more energy release? Here one nuclei ki 6 MeV energy release అయింది. అంటే ఇక్కడ more harmful radiations are released. That means hydrogen bomb is most powerful bomb in the universe, because for one nucleon 6 MeV energy is released. Here one nucleon 0.85 MeV energy is released. This is called fission. This is called fusion. In the fusion, for one nucleon to release approximately energy is 6 MeV. Here one nucleon release 0.85. That means where to where more energy release? Fusion. So hydrogen bomb is most powerful bomb in the universe. But it cannot be possible in normal atmosphere. It is possible only at high temperature. The temperature is order of 10 power 7 Kelvin. Pause. Differences between nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Important for 4 marks for the purpose of intermediate. Here, nuclear fission. Nuclear fission means heavy nucleus split into smaller nuclei and release some energy. Here nuclear fusion means smaller nucleus combined to form a heavy nucleus and release some amount of energy. Here first point completed. Equation here uranium 92-235 bombarded with slow neutron. Slow neutron other name is thermal neutron. Its kinetic energy 0.025 eV. It will be bombarded. Finally we get barium, krypton, 3 neutrons and 200 MeV energy. Here this is the equation of nuclear fission. Here equation is 4 protons gives rise to helium-24 plus 2 positron. According to spin balance, here write 2 neutrino plus 25.7 MeV energy. Here look here, third point. Per one nucleon to release nearer energy is 6 MeV. Here, one nucleon to release the energy is, here, this is the fission, one nucleon, that means 235 nucleons, 200 MeV. That means here, one nucleon to produce 0.85 MeV. Here, 4 nucleons, nearly 24. That means one nucleon approximately it get the energy 6 MeV. That means which is more dangerous, Nana? Which is more dangerous? Fusion is more dangerous because it releases more energy. Nana, next, this principle can be used in the fission. Fission can be used in the atom bomb. This principle can be used as a manufacture of hydrogen bomb. Hydrogen bomb here. Next, Nana, we get next point is, main point is, this can be possible in ordinary temperatures. Nana, ordinary temperatures, this can be possible only ordinary temperatures. Nuclear fission is only ordinary temperatures. But nuclear fusion is required. It will be possible only at high temperatures. The temperature is order of 10 power 7 Kelvin. This temperature is inside the sun, inside the stars is possible. That means on the normal atmosphere, hydrogen bomb is not used. Hydrogen bomb is blast. The required temperature is approximately 10 power 7 Kelvin. Okay, you understand each and every point to write the examination hall. One minute, Nana. Nuclear fission means heavy nucleus split into smaller nuclei. Nuclear fusion means lighter nuclei combined to form a heavy nuclei. Okay. Here 0.85 MeV energy released per nucleon. That's why here 6 MeV energy is required released in the nuclear fusion. This nuclear fission can be used in the atom bomb. Nuclear fusion can be used in the hydrogen bomb. Nuclear fission generally it will be blast in the ordinary temperature, but nuclear fusion is not in the normal atmosphere. It requires very high temperature. It order of 10 power 7 Kelvin. Okay. Next, I discuss carbon nitrogen cycle, proton cycle in the nuclear fusion. Okay.